Namaste. Okay, now. Listen carefully. Today we are going to read lesson in the kingdom of fools.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Today we are going to read lesson in the kingdom of fools. You all are looking, I have written. Okay, now. Everyone taken out your book. Those who have taken out, raise your hand. हाथ उठाइए. Okay, very good. Look at the blackboard and now tell me who is the writer of this lesson. Speak fast.
Ramanujan. A.K. Ramanujan. A.K. Ramanujan.
Okay, very good. Now listen. Here it is. I have given about first, as usual. If I start lesson, then always I give you about author. So first we will discuss about author. Writer is A.K. Ramanujan. He was born 16th March 1929. He was born in 16th March 1929 and died 13th July 1993. Died 13th July 1993. And full name is Attipat Krishna Swami Ramanujan. Full name is Attipat Krishna Swami Ramanujan. A-T-T-I-P-A-T. Krishna Swami, K-R-I-S-H-N-A-S-W-A-M-I. Krishna Swami, and after that Ramanujan spelling is given in your book. Okay, now then we are going to read about writer. Writer is A.K. Ramanujan. Was an Indian poet and a scholar of Indian literature. He was an Indian poet and a scholar of Indian literature. Here it is given that who wrote in both English and Kannada. He wrote in both languages, English and Kannada. You all are looking, I have written here English and Kannada in both languages. After that, he was a poet, a scholar, professor, philologist, folklorist, translator and playwright. He was a poet. Poet means you all know that those who write poems. A scholar or professor means a learned professor. It means he was teaching in university, in colleges. So here written professor. I am a teacher, and those who are teaching students in college, we are calling them professor. After that, philologist. It means those who are thinking about philosophy, research. Okay. After that, folklorist. Folklorist means he always tried to write stories related to villages. He also writes stories related to village area. Folk means stories, short stories, and which are जैसे कि हम लोग भागलपुर में रहते हैं. We are living in Bhagalpur, and Mansa Devi story is very popular, and this is a folk tale because we are hearing day after day that type of story writer. Translator means he can translate several languages like Hindi to English, English to Hindi, Kannada to English. Okay, now then, and playwright. Playwright means those who write plays, dramas, नाटक. नाटक लिखने वाले को क्या बोलते हैं? Playwright. His academic research ran across 5 languages. He has command languages, not only 1, 2, 3, 4, but he has command over 5 languages. Okay, just like if you have command like Hindi, English, Sanskrit, 3 languages, either Maithili or Angika, 4 languages, and you have to develop one language more. Now, here it is given what are these languages? English, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu and Sanskrit, 5 languages. After that, he was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1999. He was awarded by Sahitya Akademi Award in 1999. Why? Because he has written the collected poems. He has written a book in which book there are so many, several, lots of poems, very interesting poems. For this poem he got the Sahitya Akademi Award. Okay. After that he also got MacArthur Fellowship and Padma Shri. Not only he got Sahitya Akademi, except this he got 2 awards, very famous, well-known award. These awards are MacArthur Fellowship and Padma Shri. You all have read about Padma Shri in GK book. Now after that, his works, writings, he has written several books and I am giving you some names. These are very famous. Second side, Folk Tales. This is Tales, T-A-L-E-S. Folk Tales is written here. Folk Tales from India, Poems of Love and War, Collected Essays of A.K. Ramanujan, The Interior Landscape, Poems or Novella. Once again I am ready. You have to listen carefully. Today we are going to read about In the Kingdom of Fools. And this story has been translated by A.K. Ramanujan. Okay? And he was born on 16th March 1929, died 13th July 1993. Everyone is getting my voice? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay, thank you. Now, the full name is Adipet Krishna Swami Ramanujan. He was an Indian poet and scholar of Indian literature who wrote in both English and Kannada. He was a poet, a scholar, professor, philologist, folklorist, and translator and playwright. His academic research ranged across 5 languages: English, after that where I was, yes, he was a poet, a scholar, professor, philologist, folklorist, translator and playwright. His academic research ran across 5 languages: English, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu and Sanskrit. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1999 for the collected poems. He also got MacArthur Fellowship and Padma Shri Award. Work second side, Folk Tales from India, Poems of Love and War, Collected Essays of A.K. Ramanujan, The Interior Landscape, Poems and a Novella. I have given you, listen, whenever you read a story, then you must know about author, writer. Now you all be able to understand, and today we are going to read very interesting story and you all have read this story. तुम सब ने बचपन में in your childhood you all have read very simple story and I am teaching you. Just wait. Everyone taken out your book and now I am giving chance to read whom? Okay, Aditi, read first para. One by one I will give everyone chance. Aditi, start reading.
In the kingdom of fools, both the kings and the middle were idiot. They didn't want to run things like other kings. So they decided to change night into day and day into night. They ordered that everyone should be awake at night till the fields and run their business only after dark and go to bed as soon as the sun came up. Anyone who disobeyed would be punished with death. The people did as they were told for fear of death. The king and the minister were delighted at the success of the project. One day, a guru and his disciple arrived in the city. It was a beautiful city. It was broad daylight, but there was no one about. Everyone was asleep. Not a mouse stirring. Even the cattle had got to sleep by day. The two strangers were amazed by what they saw around them, wandered around town till evening, when suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. The two men were hungry. Now that the shops were
Aditi, keep quiet. Now listen, everyone. Okay, now listen. In the kingdom of fools, it means we are going to read a story related to that kind of kingdom where fools are governing. ऐसी स्टोरी पढ़ने जा रहे हैं जहाँ मूर्ख लोगों का शासन है. In the kingdom of fools, or just when it is believed that fools are so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them. Who are the fools in this story? What happens to them? As we all know that if someone is fool, it is very dangerous. And now we are going to read about that in this lesson, who is the wise, who is the fool, and what will happen to these fool fellow. In the kingdom of fools, both the king and the minister were idiots. Idiot means stupid. Here we are going to read that there was a kingdom and both king and ministers, both are idiot. Means both are stupid, they are not very intelligent. They did not want to run things like other kings, so they decided to change night into day and day into night. They ordered that everyone should be awake at night, till their fields and run their business only after dark and go to bed as soon as the sun came up. And now here we are going to read that kind of a story, that here it is given that a king and minister are given an order that they wanted to change. They didn't want to walk as the whole universe is walking. They wanted to do a new type of work planning. And what type of new planning is here? They started to say that no, we have to work at night and we have to sleep in morning. And they have ordered throughout the kingdom, and everyone has to follow whatever instruction these two idiots has given. Now, after that here it is given, I have told you if anyone disobeyed, then they will be punished to death. अब देखिए क्या दो मूर्ख का शासन था. यहाँ पे किंग और मिनिस्टर जो है राज्य करते थे, दोनों महामूर्ख थे. और उन्होंने कहा कि हमें दुनिया की तरह नहीं चलना है. दुनिया में क्या होता है, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, देखिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग सुबह काम करते हैं, रात को सोते हैं. लेकिन वहाँ के मंत्री ने और राजा ने निर्णय लिया कि हमें रात भर काम करना और सुबह सोना है, और जो भी हमारी बातों को नहीं मानेगा उसे मृत्यु दंड दे दिया जाएगा. Now the people did as they were told for fear of death. The king and the minister were delighted at the success of their project. One day a guru and a disciple arrived in the city. It was a very, very beautiful city. It was broad daylight, but there was no one about. Everyone was asleep, not a mouse stirring. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day. The two strangers were amazed by what they saw around them and wandered around town till evening, when suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly around town till evening. And here we are going to read that everyone is in afraid way because sentenced to death. मौत की सज़ा को इंग्लिश में हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? सेंटेंस टू डेथ. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर सब मौत की सज़ा के डर से, जैसा राजा ने कहा ऐसे भी कहते हैं, जहाँ का जैसा राजा वैसा प्रजा. तो सोचा कि चलो राजा की बात मानते हैं और सब बात मानने लगे. Everyone started to obey and everyone started to enjoy whatever planning is done by king and minister. Now king and minister both are very delighted that they have made that kind of country, palace where only whatever they are saying everyone has to obey. After that, here it is given that now if we are one day what happened, a guru and disciple, as I am your guru and you all are my disciple. चेला मतलब student, okay, pupil. And now what happened, both started to arrive this kingdom, and when both started to arrive, what they have seen, not a mouse it is staring, okay, it means animating, no one is there, and they are looking that this is the broad daylight and why no one is here. They were amazed, they were surprised, and they started to see everywhere, but not a single people and not a single animal. Even then things and insects we never try to see. Here is an example of, here it is given mouse, and now it means then no one is in a vacant way. And then what happened, they started to say, and they are amazed, and they started to move here and there. They wandered around town till the evening. And what they have seen, then what they have seen, that at the night everyone woken up and everyone started their work. अब दोनों गुरु और चेला, यहाँ पर है कि किसी राज्य में एक दिन गुरु और चेला घूमने आए, देखते हैं कि कोई भी, यहाँ तक एक चूहा तक भी जगा हुआ नहीं है, जबकि पूरा दिन हो चुका है. और वो लोग जब पता लगाते हैं तो उन्हें पता चलता है कि यहाँ पर मूर्खों का शासन है. राजा ने ये कहलवा रखा है कि अगर कोई भी सुबह नज़र भी आया तो उसे मौत की सज़ा दे दी जाएगी. तो धीरे धीरे क्या होता है, जैसा सिस्टम होता है लोग उस तरह से जीने लगते हैं. आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट पैसेज हु विल रीड? ओके हर्षिता, रीड. द टू men were hungry. One para, okay?
The two men were hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. To their astonishment, they found that everything cost was the same, a single rupee. Whether they bought a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas, it cost a rupee. The guru and his disciple went delighted. They had never heard of anything like this. They could buy all the food they wanted for a rupee.
Okay, very good. Now, after that, listen. The two men were hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. To their astonishment, they found that everything cost the same, a single dudu. Whether they bought a measure of rice or a bunch of bananas, it cost a dudu. The guru and his disciple were delighted. They had never heard of anything like this. They could buy all the food they wanted for rupees. Groceries means vegetables. Okay? If we are telling green groceries, green groceries means vegetable, and if we are telling groceries, then it means food stuff what we are using in our house like rice, pulses, etc. Okay? But here groceries means we are talking about vegetables. Okay? Now, and astonishment means amazement. Astonishment means amazement, wonder. Dudu means name of currency for 1 rupee, and I have told you this is a Canadian story, so it's related to Canada. Okay, now after that I am telling you that here it is given that what they both started to see Guru and disciple, that whatever they say, everywhere groceries, they are very astonished that each thing he can buy, they can buy a single dudu. It means suppose a rupee note we are telling about here, and now either it is very small thing, either it is very big thing. अब दोनों को बहुत ही आश्चर्य लगा कि 1 रुपया में यहाँ एक डुड्डू है, ठीक है, एक डुड्डू कीमत जो चाहे 1 दर्जन केला हो या फिर सब्जियां हो या अनाज हो, कुछ भी लो, लेकिन वो क्या 1 रुपये में ही मिल जाएगा, 1 डुड्डू में मिल जाएगा। यहाँ सपोज कर लीजिए कि 1 रुपया है, मिल जाएगा। उन्हें बहुत ही आश्चर्य लगा, दे आर वेरी फीलिंग वेरी एस्टोनिश्ड, very wonder that they have not seen that kind of place. What type of place where one can buy everything in 1 rupees? If it is happen in Bhagalpur, then what happened? Everyone started to run and everyone started to buy, and the all road are very hustle and bustle condition. Now next, Utkarsh start reading when they had cooked.
When they had cooked and eaten, the Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools, and it wouldn't be a good idea for them to stay there. This is no place for us. Let's go, he said to his disciple. But the disciple didn't want to leave the place. Everything was kept here. All he wanted was good, cheap food. The Guru said, "They are fools. This won't last very long, and you can't tell what they will do you next."
Okay. Now, when they had cooked and eaten, the Guru realized that this was a kingdom of fools, and it would not be a good idea for them to stay there. And you all know that as usual, Guru is Guru. Whenever Guru started to chide you, started to say some words, then what happened? You think that Guru is chiding you, Guru is saying you, this is not good. But my dear students, whatever Guru is speaking, each and everything is in correct way. Always follow your parents' words and Guru's words. And now here, Gurus realize that this is not good. It's not good idea to stay there. This is no place for us. Let's go. And Guru said, we have to leave this place. He said to his disciple, but the disciple did not want to leave the place. But as usual, the disciple, I think in 100%, only 2% students believe that what God, sir and madam and teachers are speaking is good, correct, they are listening in proper way. But either 99% hear in this side and discard this side. Okay. And now Guru said, as usual, this disciple has said, no, I don't want to leave this place. It's a very nice kind of place. I have to stay because everything was cheap here. All he wanted was good, cheap food. And he was in greedy form. He said, oh, no, there is something. Everything was in cheap. Everything is in low price. So it's good deal. I have to stay here. The Guru said, they are all fools. They won't last very long, and you can't tell what they will do to you next. And Guru said, no, don't stay there. If there is the kingdom of fools, then something is wrong. So my heart is saying we have to leave this place and we have to go another place. Next, अच्छा इसका हिंदी बता दे रहे हैं। अब देखिए क्या हुआ। गुरु बोलता है कि यहाँ पे मूर्खों का राज्य है, हमें यहाँ से निकल जाना चाहिए, यहाँ पे रुकना उचित नहीं है। लेकिन क्या है, यहाँ पे रुकना उचित नहीं है। लेकिन जो चेला है बोलता नहीं, मैं तो यहीं रुकूंगा, यहाँ बहुत ही फ़ायदा है रुकने से, फ्री में इतना खाना मिल रहा है 1 रुपया में, सोचा हम खा पी के अब यहाँ पे मज़ा से रहेंगे। और गुरु की बात मानने से इनकार कर देता है। लेकिन गुरु बोलते हैं कि नहीं, यहाँ पर रुकना खतरनाक इसलिए कि जहाँ पर मूर्खों का शासन हो, चाहे वहाँ कितना भी सुख हो, उस जगह को हमें त्याग देना चाहिए, नहीं तो कभी ना कभी हम परेशान जरूर होंगे। बेईमानी जो होती है, डिसऑनेस्टी, कुछ दिनों की होती है। प्रायः हम लोग देखते हैं ना, अरे वो बच्चा चोरी करके लिख लिया, उसको ज़्यादा मार्क्स आ गया, हम तो बेकार ही ईमानदारी से लिखे। लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता, कुछ दिन लगता है कि हाँ उसे सक्सेस मिला, लेकिन एट लास्ट सक्सेस किसको मिलती है? जो रियल में मेहनत करते हैं। सो ऑलवेज लेबर हार्ड विथ इन रियल वे एंड इन ऑनेस्ट वे। हमें ईमानदारी से काम करना चाहिए, बिकॉज God has created this world and He always see and everyone see that who is in good way and who is in bad way. Okay, now next I am giving chance to, okay, बहुत देर से तुम्हारी जिज्ञासा हाथ उठाई। ओके, जिज्ञासा।
But the disciple would not listen to the Guru's wisdom. He wanted to stay. The Guru finally gave up and said, "Do what you want. I am going," and left. The disciple stayed on, ate his fill every day, bananas and ghee and rice and wheat, and grew fat like a street-side sacred bull.
Okay, very good. Now, but the disciple would not listen to the Guru's wisdom. And now, wisdom, whatever Guru is preaching, he did not follow anything. He didn't want to listen a single word. He wanted to stay. In his mind only one thing, and he had to stay here. The Guru finally gave up and said, "Do what you want. I am going," and left. And the Guru finally said, "No, I want to leave this place, and whatever you want, you have to do." The disciple stayed on, ate his fill, gave up and said, The disciple stayed on, ate his fill every day, bananas and ghee and rice and wheat, and grew fat like a street-side sacred bull. A sacred means holy, ठीक है, पवित्र. And now what happened? He started to eat lots of, because everything is in one to do, and he started to eat bananas, ghee, rice, wheat, and grew like a fat, like a street-side sacred bull, like a holy bull. अब देखो, पूछा गुरु ने, फिर भी एक बार अपना कर्तव्य निभाया कि देखो मैं तो इस जगह से जा रहा हूँ, अंत में तुम क्या करना चाहोगे? उसने कहा कि नहीं, मैं यहाँ पे रहना चाहूँगा। गुरु ने उसे वहाँ पे छोड़ दिया और गुरु चले गए। इस बीच ये जो चेला था, विद्यार्थी, पूरा खा पी के, अनाज उनाज खा के, घी वगैरह खा के क्या हो गया? मोटा, एकदम जैसे सांड होता है ना, पूरा मोटा ताज़ा, ठीक है, बलि का बकरा बनाया जाता है सांड को, जब एकदम क्या क्या वो, यहाँ पे यही ना लिखा हुआ है, जो रुके स्ट्रीट साइड, यस, बुल, ओके, वो या क्या पूरा बैल की तरह क्या हो गया? पूरा मोटा हो गया। और गुरु की बात को उसने नहीं माना, वह पूरी सांड की तरह, बुल मीन्स सांड होता है, ऑक्स मीन्स बैल, थोड़ा मेरे कन्फ्यूज़न हो गया था। आप देखिए क्या है यहाँ पे, क्या वो पूरी सांड की तरह मोटा हो गया खा पी के, और चल भी नहीं पा रहा था, इतना मोटा हो गया। उसको यहाँ पे पूरा मज़ा आ रहा था। अब समय देख लेते हैं, बहुत हो गया होगा, तब नेक्स्ट डे पढ़ेंगे। यस, 12:31 हो गया, देख ले कौन कौन और बच गया है।